ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಭಾಷಾ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಲಿಂಗಗಳು 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 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್. ಟುಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲಿಂಗಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವ. ಜೆಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 3 ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ಲಿಂಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವಿಧ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ನಪುಂಸಕ ಲಿಂಗ. ನಪುಂಸಕ ಲಿಂಗ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ನಪುಂಸಕ ಲಿಂಗ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ means female. We have to mention some sentences in like female, like ಅವಳು, ಕಮಲ, ದೇವಿ or ನಯನ. These are all what? ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. Okay, next ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ means this is female category. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ means male category. Male category means like ಅವನು, ಚರಣ್, ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅಜ್ಜ, ಅಣ್ಣ. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ like ಅಮ್ಮ, like mother, then ಅಜ್ಜಿ, grandmother, ಅಕ್ಕ, elder sister, ಮಗಳು. ಮಗಳು means daughter. ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ ಮಗ, like son. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ. Third one is ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ. ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ means like in the sentence or the word there is no mentioning, not mentioning the gender. Like navilu, we don't know which gender that is. Navilu, so it goes to napumsakalinga. Kallu, mannu, there is no gender. So hennu navilu, it's coming. Girl peacock, it's coming like it goes to strilinga. But just navilu they mentioned, it goes to napumsakalinga. Nai, then koli, then ಮೇಜು, ನೀರು, ಬಟ್ಟೆ, like dress, water, table, dog, paper, this, that. So we don't know the gender, so it goes to napumsakalinga category. So see properly. First 3 words I will write. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. First one ಅವಳು. Okay, ಅವಳು. ಅವಳು means it's like female, so it goes to ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. ಅವಳು means Shri. Second one Kamala. Kamala is the name of the girl, or lotus, like Kamala. So we have to take like Kamala, it's the name of the girl, it goes to ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ. But we have to take this Kamala, it's lotus, so it goes to napumsakalinga also. So just we'll discuss about like Kamala, name of the girl. So Kamala means like name of the girl, so it goes to strilinga. Okay, Kamala, Devika, or something else like girls names, Nayana, like that. Now next one is pullinga. See, here there is avalu, so change the gender into pullinga, it goes to avanu. ಅವನು, ಅವಳು, ಅವನು. ಅವನು means he. ಅವನು, he. Second one is Kamala, so we have to write Charan, name of the boy. So Charan. So ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ over. Now napumsakalinga. First one adu. Second one idu. Adu means that. Adu. Idu. Idu means this. So this goes to Napumsakalinga. We didn't know what is this gender. So adu idu Napumsakalinga. Avalu ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಕಮಲ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಅವನು ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ಚರಣ್ ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ಅದು ಇದು ನಪುಂಸಕ ಲಿಂಗ. I will give now so many examples. ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ, ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ನಪುಂಸಕಲಿಂಗ, 3 categories. See, ಅಮ್ಮ, amma, mother, ajji, never changing consonant, main character only changing, like G, ajji, grandmother. What is this? Ajji. Third one, akka, elder sister. Akka. Fourth one, magalu, magalu. There is no space, so just written in Kannada only. Magalu. Magalu means daughter. Magalu means daughter. So second category, amma, appa. Appa pullinga, male gender. Okay. Father, father, appa. Ajji, ajja, ajja, grandfather. Ajja. Akka is strilinga, now pullinga, anna or tamma. Now anna. Anna means elder brother. Tamma means smaller brother. Elder brother. Male category, so it goes to pullinga. Fourth one is magalu strilinga, maga is pullinga. Maga, son. Amma, ajji, akka, magalu. These are all gender female, so it goes to strilinga. Now pullinga, appa, ajja, anna, maga. Now napumsakalinga, last category, napumsakalinga. So kagada, no gender. Kagada means paper. Okay, paper. Kagada. Nai, we don't know what is this gender. Nai, dog. Meju, meju. Meju means table. Next, neeru, water. Neeru, water. Batte, cloth. Batte, cloth. So these are all napumsakalinga. Kagada, nai, meju, neeru, batte. We don't know what is the gender all these categories, these words, so it goes to napumsakalinga. Amma, ajji, akka, magalu, these are all female, so it goes to strilinga. Next, pullinga means male category. Appa, ajja, anna, maga, son, elder brother, grandfather, father, these are all male categories, so it goes to pullinga. Then last one is napumsakalinga. Kagada, nai, meju, neeru, batte. We don't know what is the gender for all these words, so it goes to napumsakalinga. ಲಿಂಗಂ. ನನ್ನ ಈ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.